Maybe only that it took you so long. Yes. Hi! With Christmas just around the corner, Suzette Dawkins, owner of HomeUp Jamaica, is here to show us how to bring the holiday spirit into any home, no matter how big or small, your space or your budget. Hi there, Suzette. Welcome.
Good morning,
Good to have you, Mama. I saw you having, did you have Black Friday deals?
Yes, we sure did. Yeah, very good. We're actually celebrating our 3rd anniversary. So yesterday we had shindig. So my eyes look a little puffy because maybe I was up till late.
Girl. We
had a great time ringing in the holiday season.
You know what? There's so many folks who are doing this kind of thing now, and it's much more elevated now that, you know, our tastes are becoming different and so on. Why did you enter this space in the market, and how have you managed to make HomeUp different from what else is out there?
Thanks for that question, Simone. I find exactly what you spoke about, that everybody's in the space, but people are still not understanding, how do I get a space that is unique to me, that is affordable, and pretty at the same time, because we all want nice looking things, we all want pretty things. And so I pride myself on finding that thing or those things that will give you value and actually make you represent your personality well. Yes.
So what's the trend now for Christmas? Because one time it was tree and one bag of decorations. Are we still holy pa people, or are we more minimalist and impactful?
Very, very minimalist.
Is it?
Yes, very, very. So similar to how we have just this accent chair here. Now you can have just a throw to say it's Christmas. You can have throws, you can have cushions. In this space, we added just a red throw. We can have a yellow throw. We can have a green throw. However, your colors may be blue and gold, may be white and gold. So you can choose your own color palette. And we have all of these things right there at HomeUp on 16th Crest Avenue. So you come and pick whatever your color palette to make your Christmas pop for you. Here on the ground, we have a green throw. Rich green, beautiful. You throw this again on your chair, or if it is that you want it, you know, wrapping on your leg.
Wrap up in a that, I mean, now come out.
And now come out.
No,
yes.
miss.
That's the idea.
Yes.
But sometimes simple is just sufficient.
Wreath.
Yes.
Cannot ever
look
postpone.
at it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Everybody knows once you put it up, Christmas is here. So nice and easy, and these are inexpensive. You don't have to get, if you don't want it with all this red and you want yours with some blue and some silver, that is there for you as well. You can actually get the wreath and then get your children involved in putting on all the items.
This is another thing that tells us that Christmas is here.
Christmas is here once you're seeing the poinsettias. Look at these rich poinsettias.
Red.
Remember, we just went through, Melissa, when we got these, they were dark green. And within a week,
wait, Susie,
they're red. Yes, these are real. Yes, ma'am, they are real.
Not me thinking they were not. They're beautiful.
Yes, they love the sun and they love water as well. But look at how we just get a nice little pot, drop it in the pot. Look at how it made the poinsettia pot.
Beautiful.
And listen, we have these real. If you want them a little unreal, we have those as well. So get your pots. Those are nice to just give you a pop of whatever plant that you want to put
Here's
in.
what I love now, right? For the folks who don't want all of this.
Yes.
I love how you've decorated that table.
Yes.
That says it's Christmas. It's a small table.
Yes.
With the 2 little foil plants on the bottom.
Yes.
And a bowl with some nice festive decorations. Period.
Yeah. Done.
That's it.
It's finished. Don't need nothing more than some candles.
And some candles.
Some candles that when you walk in the room, see me? Listen, the room just smell. You smell that pine smell. Listen, want to get a trick? So for those trees that are unreal, just get the candle, and you can probably go out and get some of the branches of the reel and put it round there to get this smell. Never, I hope you're hearing that.
Don't talk out your seat for them. May I hear that?
Yes, yes.
So this could literally, with the rug, everything here, be a room. This could be like a small room.
A small room.
Some people say, oh, my room too small, I can't decorate it. Or how do I decorate it to make sure it don't feel too chock up? Or, you know what I mean? What are your ideas for small spaces And then for big spaces.
For your small spaces, exactly what we have here. We have one chair.
Yes.
You probably, for your bigger space, you want to have maybe two chairs. And the same idea about how it is that I make it personal to me. So you want to have your trees. I see you have some trees here in studio. Your trees are important in those big spaces. Even in the small space, we don't have the real trees. We do have the ornamental trees. Yes. So you can come in and pick out a tree or two and get your kids involved in the festive of paintings.
Yes, let's talk about that because that's beautiful.
Paintings. Your space is complete when you start having your paintings being shown. Now, paintings are a way for you to show your personality.
Absolutely.
So like me who love music, when you walk in the room, you're going to see some music theme going in there. But you can have abstracts as well. So over to the other side of the room, here is something a little bit more abstract. And that gives you color. It gives you soft tones. So paintings, your rugs, and maybe sometimes a mirror will help you. Yes, those are your pops for both your small spaces and your white spaces.
Are we still into like white walls and gray walls? Is that still trending?
Whatever you want your wall to be, that's trending.
That's the trend.
That's the trend. That's the trend. Some people have a blue wall. Some people have a gray wall. I remember growing up, we always had to have a beige wall with the red chair. Now people have the blue wall and the gray chair, or vice versa, or pure white. So whatever you're into, that's what is trending.
All right. So HomeUp, you said, is at 16 Hillcrest.
Yes, 16 Hillcrest.
We will find just about anything for the home in there?
Yes, anything from the home. We're big on gifting because anything that you could purchase for the home becomes a gift for your home and becomes a gift for someone else. So our gift box there shows how we package. So that's a small package, but they get into big by the time you get into the lamps and you get into all those other big items. But gifting is a big part of what we do under the HomeUp.
So we know you had your Black Friday sale, Christmas, any specials going in?
Oh yes, come on in because the poinsettias are going to be on sale. All of the Christmas items. Today is the 1st of December, so we're going to be putting all of those Christmas items so they enter your house and out of the store.
Awesome. Are you on social?
Yes, HomeUp JA at HomeUp JA.
Okay, that's Instagram.
Instagram. We're on Instagram.
All right, at HomeUp JA. If any of the pieces here today looked really nice to you, caught your eye, I'm looking at the throws like really heavily, or you want to see what else is at HomeUp, then 16 Hillcrest is where you go and you ask for Suzette or anybody else in there will take good care of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations on 3 years.
Yes, thank you so
much.
many
more. Owner of HomeUp Jamaica, Suzette Dawkins. After the break, we're making a fun stop, so we'll come back with that. Very nice, Suze.
One seems to hear